Hello, today I bring you another 25 very useful short expressions, short phrases in Spanish between 1 and 3 words only that we use all the time with examples. As usual, I'm doing Spanish and English, so you can just listen to it. Let's jump into it. The first one is ya verás. Ya verás. You'll see, like el Barça va a ganar. Ya verás. Barça is going to win. You'll see, hopefully. No me digas. No me digas. Don't tell me that. It's a reaction to something you don't want to believe, like suspendí el examen. I failed the exam. No me digas. Don't tell me that. Or no me digas que suspendiste. Don't tell me you failed. Next one is ya lo tengo. Ya lo tengo. I've got it. When you have an idea, when you find a solution, like, ¿qué podemos hacer hoy? What can we do today? Ya lo tengo. Vamos a la playa. I've got it. Let's go to the beach. No me apetece. No me apetece. I don't feel like it. I don't want to do something. Like, hoy no me apetece trabajar. Today, I don't feel like working. I wish you were only today. Me caes bien. Me caes bien. I like you, but not in a romantic way. It's like, I like the way you are. I like you as a person. Me caes bien. In a romantic way, it's me gustas. I like you. Like you meet someone, oh, me caes bien. I like you. I like the way you are. You're fun. And the opposite, no me caes bien. No me caes bien. I don't like you. No hace falta. No hace falta. No need, it's not necessary. Like, ¿te ayudo? Can I help you? No hace falta, gracias. No need, thank you. No hay nadie. No hay nadie. There is nobody, there is no one. Like when you go to the club too early, in Spain that would be 2, 3 a.m. You go to the club, todavía no hay nadie. There is nobody yet. It's empty. No tengo tiempo. No tengo tiempo. I don't have time. Like, let's say that my wife says, tenemos que hablar. We have to talk. No tengo tiempo. I don't have time. Tengo prisa. Tengo prisa. I'm in a hurry. Like when you're walking on the street and somebody stops you, ¿tienes un segundo? Do you have a second? No, tengo prisa. No, I'm in a hurry. Todo va bien. Todo va bien. Everything's going well. When someone asks, ¿qué tal todo? How is everything? Todo va bien. Everything's going well. Me tengo que ir. Me tengo que ir. I have to go, I have to leave. And we need me tengo que ir, meaning that I have to leave this place right now, where we are right now. If you say tengo que ir means I have to go somewhere. You are talking about the destination. Me tengo que ir reflects it. Me tengo que ir. You are talking about the origin here. Like I have to leave from here. I have to go and leave this place. Like when you are with friends and it's getting late and you say, bueno, me tengo que ir. Okay, I have to go. I have to leave. Lo dudo mucho. Lo dudo mucho. I really doubt it. Like when my wife says, estaré lista en 5 minutos. I'll be ready in 5 minutes. Lo dudo mucho. I really doubt it. No te creo. No te creo. I don't believe you. Like when my wives come home and I tell her, limpié toda la casa. I cleaned the whole house. No te creo. I don't believe you. And she's right. No lo encuentro. No lo encuentro. I can't find it. Probably something I say every day 50 times. Like, ¿dónde está mi cinturón? Where is my belt? No lo encuentro. I can't find it. Ya me acuerdo. Ya me acuerdo. I remember now. Like, el año pasado fuimos a Italia. Last year we went to Italy. Ah, sí, ya me acuerdo. Ah, yeah, I remember now. Está claro. Está claro. It's clear. Like, ¿lo entiendes? Do you understand? Sí, está claro. Yes, it's clear. Or, está claro que no hablas español. It's clear you don't speak Spanish. Qué raro. Qué raro. That's weird. That's strange. Like when I take my kids to the park and I buy them chips and snacks, and then we come home and my wife makes dinner, but the kids are not hungry, and she says, Los niños no tienen hambre. The kids are not hungry. I say, Qué raro. That's weird. ¿Cómo no? ¿Cómo no? That's another way to say of course. It can be sarcastic or normal. Like when she buys a present for me and she says, Te compré un regalo con tu dinero. I bought you a present with your money. ¿Cómo no? Of course, sarcastic, but it can also be real, like, ¿Me ayudas? Can you help me? Claro, ¿cómo no? Sure, of course. Cuídate mucho. Cuídate mucho. Take care of yourself. Take good care of yourself. Cuídate. Like when you are saying goodbye to your friends. Hasta luego. Cuídate. See you. Take care. Déjamelo a mí. Déjamelo a mí. Leave it to me. When someone is not able to do something, like, no puedo abrir esto. I can't open this. Déjamelo a mí. Leave it to me. I'll open it. Basically, when you can manage, when you can handle something. Déjamelo a mí. Leave it to me. I'll take care of it. Vale. Vale. This word has a lot of meanings. The main one is okay, alright. But we use this word all the time. Like, vamos al cine? Let's go to the cinema. Vale. Okay, alright. Me da miedo. Me da miedo. It scares me. I'm afraid. Like, me da miedo conducir en Bangkok. I'm afraid of driving in Bangkok because there's a lot of traffic. No tienes por qué. No tienes por qué. You don't have to. Like when you want to tell someone that they don't have to do something, like, no quiero llamar a María. No tienes por qué. You don't have to. There is no reason for you to do it. Nobody's forcing you. No tienes por qué. You can also tell someone, like, no tienes por qué trabajar aquí si no te gusta. You don't have to work here if you don't like it. There is no reason for you to work here if you don't like it. And the last one, lo necesito. Lo necesito. I need it. Voy a descansar un poco. Lo necesito. I'm going to rest for a bit. I need it. Alright? I hope it was useful. If it was and you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing and liking the video so I can keep making more and so you don't miss anything. And I will see you in the next one. Hasta luego!